Hi everybody, Chicken Time Gal, and welcome back to a new video. Today I have this, Jerry got this little clock that I took apart because I didn't like the face of it, so I'm going to change the face of it and put some bling in it. So I took it completely apart. Here's the dome and the little clockwork pieces and the screws. I'm going to take this here paper that we did on the channel earlier. We did the shaving cream. This is the one we did with the this is the alcohol. This is the alcohol ink one we did. So I took out the face and I traced it on the paper. And I traced a little circle in the middle to fit the clockwork piece on. And we're going to cut this out. And find what I did with my scissors. Ah, there they are.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
When you find out where we want to put our noon and 3, 6, and 9, I'm going to use these black stickers to do this. And these stickers are bare. I'll be back when I get all these stickers on because this is going to take forever. Okay, that was a major bear, but we got them all on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a hot glue gun. As you know me, I got to bling it up. I got some AB crystals here. And I'm going to glue some crystals on the whatchamajiggy here. On the numbers. Just going to put a little spot of glue. A couple places. And put some crystals. Just little bitty crystals. Go. They should be far enough out that it doesn't mess with the minutes of the hands of the time. Now we're going to pop this in here. And there is, it says on the back where the 12 is supposed to be. So we'll get that set in there where the 12 is supposed to be. We'll mark that more toward the front so we have an idea where the 12 is supposed to be. We'll put a little bit of hot glue on this just to stick it. Just to stick it. Okay. Now we're going to put the clock face back together. Actually, I'm going to put a ring because this isn't cut precisely. So let me go figure that out. And I'll be right back. Okay, I punched out some black glitter cardstock. I punched it out of the 1-inch scallop punch, which will fit over that nicely. Okay, what I ended up doing was just cutting out a scallop 1-inch glitter cardstock, folding it in half, and then just cutting a circle out of it freehand because I couldn't get it to fit in the punch and punch it. So I did that, and it's going to fit over it just fine. And it's going to hide the fact that it's messed up. So that's what I ended up doing. That was a struggle as well. Quite the struggle. Okay, so as soon as this hot glue gun heats up, we're going to hot glue this right over the middle piece there like that. And then we're going to put the clockwork pieces back on. And then we're going to put the dome back on, and we're going to put the screws back in, and it should be done. So we'll wait for this hot glue gun to heat up. Like so. Put the clockwork pieces back on. Why is it telling time backwards? There it goes. It got fixed. It's going the right way now. I was like, why is it telling time backwards? glass back on. Figure out how this frame goes back on. There we go. Screw the screws back in. I can find my little screwdriver. There it is. Okay, now we're going to move on to the floral part. I have this, I think it's a 6/8 inch ring. It's going to fit nicely right in the middle. I'm going to wrap it with white 2-inch light ribbon to start. Back in the back, glue it down. And just start wrapping it. And I got way too much ribbon here, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. Once you have that wrapped, I'm going to go and wrap it with purple. But I'm not going to wrap it all the way. I'm just going to wrap sparingly. I'll show you. I'm going to wrap like this. See? So it's only a little bit. so. Then I'm going to take some pink ribbon that's thinner. And I'm going to wrap over the top of the purple. So it like layers it. Now I'm going to take that one step further and I'm going to layer light blue over the pink. This is an even thinner ribbon. Okay, and this is what we have. Then we're going to put on the flowers. I picked out an assortment of flowers in pinks, purples, blues, and whites. Let's put the clock in first so we don't put too many flowers that you can't see the clock. Clock's going to fit snugly right in here. We're going to hot glue it in. Just pour hot glue around the ring and then lift the ring up into the clock. And then for extra measure, I'm going to put some more hot glue around here.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm going to let that cool really well before I go messing with it anymore. So we'll be back in a couple of minutes. Let this cool. Okay. Got all kinds of flowers here. I think we'll go with small flowers. I got some small blue ones. I got some small purple ones. Stay away from the big ones. Got some small pink ones. Might have to do a big purple one because I don't think I have any small purple ones. There's some kind of smaller purple ones. Some white, small white ones. Let's see what we got here. Okay. All right. Let's see. Do the large purple ones right in the front. Let's do 2 of them. We cut off the nibs, not too much so that the flower falls apart on you. Put 2 right down here. Angle them down so that you can read the numbers on the clock. You read the numbers on the clock. We'll take these purple ones here, since they're kind of tall, and we'll run them up the sides. And we'll stick in some blue ones next to the purple ones. Make sure the flowers are away so you can see the numbers. Okay. Then I think we'll do some pink ones down here on the bottom. Maybe up like this. Yeah, I think that looks pretty nice. Maybe we need something down here. Maybe a couple white flowers. Need one white flower. There. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Can see the clock face real good? Get the glue strings out of there. I think that's very pretty. Much better than that just plain old Jane. Where'd it go? The walk there. Much better than this. Much prettier. I think it's very gorgeous. I'm going to hang it in my bedroom. So, that was this tutorial for everybody. Thank you for stopping by my channel and reading the new clock we did today. So if you run by a clock that's ugly at Goodwill or at a thrift store and it's only a couple of bucks, pick it up, bring it home, and redo it. And you can have yourself a pretty little clock. So there you go. Go pick you up a clock somewhere at a thrift store or something, take it home, and redo it. And then you have something really pretty that you can put in your bedroom or your kitchen or your living room or give as a gift or give it away for a birthday present or Christmas. Christmas is here. Make something for Christmas. Put Christmas flowers, some snowflakes, make a snowman in the middle of it or like a little nativity scene in the middle of the picture. You can print off anything. You can put a Christmas card, cut out a Christmas card and put the scene in the middle of it. You can take movie posters. If you've got a movie buff in your family, you can do a movie poster, part of a movie, not a whole movie poster, obviously, but you can put part of the movie poster in there. Or like somebody's favorite book, they have artwork on a book. You can take the book cover off and use the book cover for the inside of the clock. You can do your own artwork. You can do painting on canvas and then put the canvas painting in here. You can do anything. It's really cool. So you can make your own artwork, or you see a picture you see downloaded off of the internet, you can print it up and put it in here, or whatever. So there's tons of ideas. Or like picture books, you cartoon coloring book. Your child draws a coloring picture for you. You can cut out the picture and put it in here, and then hang their clock in their room with their portrait, their little thing that they colored inside of it. So there's just tons of ideas you can do for pictures for the inside of your clock. So there you go. Everybody have a great day. Take care of yourselves. We'll catch you on the flip side. Hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to the channel? Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing today. Leave me ideas that can help boost my channel ratings or ideas for future content on the channel. Click the notification bell so you know when I have new videos out or when I go live. Share my videos on social media outlets such as Facebook or Instagram, so that way my videos can reach more people and I can grow my audience. Click the like button below. That really helps my channel to help reach more people on YouTube. Supporting me is really great, and it helps me grow my channel. I'm not a very big channel at this time, and it's really important to me that I get support from fellow YouTubers. I really appreciate you all. I really appreciate that you take time out of your busy day to view my videos and to spend time with me on a daily basis. I try to put videos out on a daily basis so you have something to watch and something to entertain yourselves with. I try really hard to make my channel a positive place for people to come and have fun and be entertained. So I try really hard to make things enjoyable for people. So if you support me, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so very much for your time. Have a great day, and we'll catch you on the flip side.